Want to maximize your Amazon refunds when a product arrives damaged or just isn't what you expected? In this video, I will show you a trick that can speed up approval and sometimes score you full credit. The first thing you want to do is launch open your Amazon app or head over to any web browser and go to amazon.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on your orders, find the items and tap return or replace item. Instead of choosing a generic reason like changed my mind, select item defective or doesn't work and in the text box describe a minor flaw. This flags the request as a product issue which Amazon prioritizes for expedited refunds. Now you want to upload a quick photo. When prompted, upload a clear photo of the item. This step convinces Amazon's automated system you've inspected the product, speeding up approval. Under refund option, select refund without return. Many low-cost items qualify, letting you keep the product and pocket the credit. If your first request is denied or limited, click contact us at the bottom. Use the live chat. There, you want to politely insist the item is unusable and request a full refund. Agents almost always override denials to maintain customer satisfaction. Now watch your email for the refund confirmation. Your Amazon balance will update automatically, letting you apply the credit to your next purchase immediately. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.